Alright, quick update for anyone who watched my previous video. If you noticed, when I put the lock in for the cabinet, it unlocked to, or it locked to the right, when it should unlock to the right and lock to the left. So if you listen to the video, when I took that lock out, the rod kind of rotated. You could hear it rotate, and that put it out of position. So all you gotta do is take the tab off again, kind of back this out a little, just enough to free the rod, and rotate the rod the other way and stick it back in. So it'll unlock correctly now. So unlock, and lock to the left. So now it matches the top. Unlock. Alright, that's all I had to say.